Hey guys, welcome back to Running with Adam. It is Christmas Day in the US, or maybe everywhere, I don't know. So if you celebrate, Merry Christmas, and if you don't, Happy Holidays. I won't be running. I'm going to instead do a special video since it's Christmas and share my favorite post-run indulgence meal with you, which is basically a McDonald's Big Mac, but I don't eat meat, so this is my meatless version. It's pretty close to the real thing. I've given it to people and they say it's delicious, so follow the recipe and see how you do at home. Let me know. Grab a beverage of your choice. I have a 6 Point Brewery resin, which is pretty good. So let's do it. Cheers. The first thing you need to do is get a pan like this. I don't know what you call this, but it's like a griddle square thing. I like the griddles because the patty will sit on the top and it won't dry out, but it won't get greasy from the oil. So the first thing we're gonna do, put some avocado oil in this puppy, get it heated up. I'm gonna chop some onions, throw those in there and get cooking. All right, next you're gonna wanna dice an onion. I use a white onion, and if you're looking for knife recommendations, this is my favorite knife. It is an FDIC 7-inch serrated offset, which was recommended by Anthony Bourdain, and I love it. So dice this sucker up, throw it in the oil, and let's get sauteing. I like to use avocado oil. It's healthier and I think it tastes better. Now, you're gonna wanna get these translucent to brown. The next thing we're gonna do is cook the meat right in with the onions. All right, once the onions start to brown up a little bit, we're gonna throw the patties right on top of them. And you're gonna cook them right in with the onions, just like this. Smells good. All right, while these bad boys are cooking in the onions, you're gonna wanna add some spice. I like to use adobo. And poultry seasoning. And a little salt and pepper. So I'm really trying to replicate a Big Mac or a Whopper, and they always use these sesame seed buns. I'm gonna lightly toast them. Don't overdo it because that'll ruin it, but these guys are almost ready. I'm gonna lightly toast the buns, and then I'll show you the fixes. I like to use these kosher dill pickles. You can find them in the fridge section at the supermarket. These are spears, so I'm gonna cut them thin and get them ready for the burgers. All right, these are looking pretty good, so I'm gonna add the cheese to the mix. I'm not a vegan, I am a vegetarian, but I will eat cheese sometimes. Feel free to substitute in imitation cheese. But for these guys, I'm gonna add some white American slices right on top. just like that, on top of the onions there. And to spice it up a little, I'll put some onions on top of the cheese, so it all kind of melts together as one pile of goodness. All right, once you've got a lightly toasted bun, you can see not too toasty, but it's got a nice little crunch to it. We're going to start dressing it. So you've got your patties with the cheese and the onion. Those are basically done. We're gonna put a little ketchup here, and a little ketchup here. And we're gonna put a little mayonnaise in the ketchup. Now, nobody said this was healthy, but if you think about what those McDonald's burgers actually look like, or Burger King, they have some kind of special sauce on it, and it's a secret recipe, but I think it's some combination of ketchup and mayonnaise. So we're gonna do that. Now, the other thing you'll notice is very thin slices of pickle. So we'll put some of our pickle on here. Just like that. And some lettuce. Obviously, if you don't like lettuce or pickle or whatever, don't put it on yours, but this is what I'm gonna do. And then thin slice of tomato, maybe 2 thin slices. And like I said, it's not healthy, but it's delicious. A little more mayo. And then we're gonna put the patty right on top of it. So I'm gonna take one of these patties, put it right on top. And we're gonna smush it all together. And when I say smush, we're gonna smush. You want it to kind of look like that. If you think about when you open a burger at McDonald's, you take it out of the paper, it's always a little smushed. And that is kind of what it looks like. So that is going to be delicious, nice and easy, not good for you, but an awesome post-run treat. Enjoy it. All right, and that's it. Nice and easy, definitely not healthy, but one of my favorite little cheat meals following a run. So I hope you liked it. Let me know how yours came out. Thanks for watching.